Okay, guys, episode 4, the final episode where we unbox the last 5 boxes of the 20 box lot. And what we find could be anything from high-end electronics all the way down to clothing, food, just anything that could be sold on Amazon could be in one of these boxes. And condition-wise, could be anything from just broken, used, all the way to brand new, sealed. So I have no idea what's in these boxes. You're going to find out with me on the other side. So without any further ado, let's go. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is John from Flippin Ain't Easy, and can you hear that? We moved these boxes up on the table and something turned on. So we're gonna get started real quick. If you haven't watched the first 3 videos, definitely recommend you watching the first 3 videos. This is a 4-part series where we have a 20 box lot of Amazon liquidation customer returns, mystery boxes, and I show you pretty much just the raw footage of unboxing these things and what it really looks like. The honest review of liquidation pallets. This is what it is, guys. Hopefully that thing didn't run out of battery. So whatever that was just turned off. So I'm very curious to see what it is. With these liquidation boxes, you're going to get anything that Amazon sells that will fit inside these boxes. If you watch the first 3 episodes, you're going to see a lot of things that probably shouldn't even have been in these boxes as far as I'm concerned. Watch those first 3 videos. I'm not going to spoil it for you. I don't know what to expect here. I'm in for the 20 boxes for the 4 videos, $770, and I'd say about $38 a box. So far, I think we're a little bit ahead of what we're willing to resell. There's a lot of stuff that we're not willing to resell. That'll get you $10 on Mercari here and there. I just don't want to spend that kind of time. I'd rather spend my resources and time on larger ticket items. Largest ticket item so far we received was probably about an $80, $90, $100 door lock, Bluetooth door lock that connects to your phone. Other than that, we're waiting for that home run. Last year I pulled out a $1,000 phone lens or a camera lens for a Sony camera. I don't know. I haven't seen anything even close to that here. So hopefully we can get there. Hit that like button. If you enjoy the time and effort we put into these videos, I'd certainly appreciate that. So the first box, let's get started here. First of the remaining 5 boxes. More command things you hang your wreath, your pictures, whatever. Yeah, they're command hooks. Oh wow. Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wax and Wash. And we got the kind that has nothing inside. So it makes you wonder, where the hell did the rest of it go? Hopefully it didn't leak inside of this box here. We have some mesh travel bags by Shaney. MSRP $19.95. Well, if it's MSRP $19.95, that means you're not going to get that much at all on eBay. Okay, here's some Waterpik flosser. Now, these will sell for like $30-$40. The charger fell out, but these will sell even if it's in used condition, and I'm not going to take this one out. It looks like it's the gray model. Used to sell a lot of those in health and beauty boxes. We have a drive-a-line automatic tensioner. So we get car parts in these, and here's another car part. Anybody recognize what that is? It says it's a tensioner. So I'm not quite sure what that is, though. I don't really do parts too often, or what it's valued at. The good thing about this is you may not know what you're getting in these boxes, but you can pull it up on Amazon and get an idea. Here's a premium air filter Eco Guard for a car. It doesn't say what model. At least I don't see anything there. Dr. Brown's, I'd assume, right? Yep, Dr. Brown's This is a, what is this? A bottle warmer, maybe 20 bucks. Those usually sell. And here's a Color Wow Dream Coat for curly hair. Looks like it's in good condition. The cap is still on it, and I don't see any signs of it being used, so we'll put that aside. We don't sell cosmetics unless it's still sealed. Here is a egg cooker for Hamilton Beach, maybe 10-15 bucks. Nothing to write home for. Mystery box of some sort. I don't know what this is. Hopefully it's something good, because the first box wasn't. This has to be, what was actually running?
I think it may have been the flosser.
Oh, that's what was running. The flosser, probably. Okay. Oh, God.
Oh, wow.
It's a faucet. So I'll give you an idea what that looks like. I'm not going to get all this out of here. These faucet sets can run like 30, 40, 50 bucks, maybe more. But I'll show you what I'm staring at here. I don't want to open all that up and make a huge mess for you guys. So it looks to be like they bought the set and they decided they didn't like it. All right. 4 boxes left. That box probably doubled itself in value. The flosser paid for the box. The rest of it probably I can get 35, 30, 40 bucks for easily. Okay, first one we have is a Speedo life jacket thingy. Okay, I'm sure that'll go for what, $10? Here is a toy. A little.
It makes bubbles. You put bubbles in there.
Okay. Well, I ain't testing that out. Okay, Green Chief. And that is a suction grab bar if you have problems getting up. Security business check paper. So it has the security check. I guess you can use this on your printer. People will buy this. I thought it was an actual ream of paper. Those are the worst. Okay, we have a wall. So it's a clipper set. And this is not the one that was running, because this was not the box. But this will sell easily for 25, 30 bucks. And this is a sprinkler timer box here. And it looks like someone may have tried to set it up. The screen looks like it's in good condition. So I don't think this is one where they've used it. They probably tried to install it and figured this wasn't worth setting up, and they sent it back. I'm thinking like 25, 30 bucks plus shipping on that. Here is a ring light. So if you like doing YouTube videos, got a little ring light here. I'm not going to open it up, but these ring lights go for about 25, 30 bucks. We use them here for our videos. This is a shelf of some sort. I'm not going to excite you by opening it, because it's definitely not worth opening. Shelves will go for about maybe 15, 20 bucks on eBay. Well, as luck would have it, my microphone pooped out on me in this video, which is why we had to bring it to an end. I promise you, you didn't miss much of anything beyond that point. There were a few okay items that we received afterwards, but didn't hit any home runs. And overall, I'd have to say this lot, at least the one in this video, the 5 boxes, was probably like a C-. The entire The entire load of 20 boxes, I'd say, would probably be around a D plus, if I'm being nice about it, because we didn't really hit any home runs. I didn't receive any items over $100 resale value, which really has never happened. We used to buy these all the time. As you may or may not recall, about a year ago, we bought 120 of these boxes, and it was great. So I have another 20 coming. I don't know what to expect with that, but you know, we'll make our money back for sure. We'll make a little bit of a profit, but nowhere near what I thought we would be dealing with here. So my apologies for the technical difficulties. Certainly it was a total of like 2 hours and 20 minutes recording all 4 videos, and it was just a lot, and I just didn't think about the charge time on that wireless mic. So please tell me below what you guys think about this video, and of course the 4 videos we put together for you. Let me know what your thoughts are. You know, we had some funny moments, and it just shows you the kind of stuff that you can get in these liquidation pallets, and it just makes you wonder about just people in general. So, you know, if you do appreciate the content, I would certainly appreciate taking the time and hitting that like button. It does help the video. If you do like this kind of content, you watch my videos all the time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you know what, while you're at it, if you're going to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I go live. And I usually do it on a whim, or make other videos like these. So guys, I just showed you the good and the bad, a lot of bad in the liquidation business. It happens. I'm going to move on. I'm going to make money. But it's just another example how flipping ain't easy. And I want you guys to have a great rest of your week. Take care, everyone.